Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to create public group in Telegram, only ways. From Telegram Home, tap New Group, add a friend, then tap Next to start settings. Select a recognizable name, optional photo, and choose Public as the visibility. Create a unique username for the public link, confirm rules, and tap Create. I'll walk you through each setting so your group is discoverable and ready for members. Choose a name that clearly tells people what the group is about and keep it short. Add a profile photo that looks good at small sizes so it's identifiable in searches. Write a compact description that lists the purpose, basic rules, and any posting guidelines. These details make your public group easier to find and decide for potential members, and they reduce moderation load later on. Set visibility to public to allow a username and a public link that anyone can use to join. Create a username that's short, memorable, and complies with Telegram's character rules so it's easy to share. Verify the username is available, then save settings to publish the group. Once done, anyone who finds the username or link can join without approval, so prepare rules and moderators ahead of growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.